focus on the hi-hat. And this is where you actually get to hold the sticks. And I play matched grip, which is where both the sticks are held in the same way. This is a traditional, lots of people call it traditional grip, but this is the match grip. And so what I'm going to do is again, keep your foot down on the hi-hat pedal, and we're going to play the hi-hat in an eighth note pattern, which is, if this was 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'm playing 8 notes instead of just 4, and then count it with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? So the hi-hats are down, and usually for me, see, you put the hi-hats in a position to where basically the two cymbals aren't touching each other, and you just have enough space to where there's some air in between there. So you don't want them, you want to have them enough to where there's space in between. Actually, you could probably just put your stick in there. Okay, it's all clear. So you put your foot down, and with your right hand, nothing with the left yet, but you can hold the stick with your left. The right hand, we're going to do eighth notes. Okay, so I'm going to talk about a little bit about the stick placement and what part of the stick is landing on the hi-hat, how you're going to get that sound. So it's not, here's the wrong way, at least is how I'm trying to show you. It's not everything's the same. It's, but still I'm hitting the first one more on the side, and the second one, which is an upstroke, is still this part of the stick, but it's more almost kind of like this, vertical, almost on top of it instead of on the side. So it's kind of, first one's more on the side, and the second one's more on top of it. And that changes the tone. And I'm also not hitting it as hard, but you'll see. But I'm never hitting it with the tip. And here's what it sounds like with the tip. Right? Tip. My way. I did it my way. Here's another way that makes a different sound, is when, if I was playing it even the way that I'm trying to play it, but I was playing it with the tip on the upstroke, it would also have a different sound, which to me doesn't sound as good. So if I was playing it like this, can't really even do that. That's just terrible. But it does, when, different parts of the stick, different parts of the hi-hat, of the cymbal, different sound. And there's so many variations. But when you're just trying to get a consistent sound out of the hi-hat, if you're just playing straight ahead, you're playing eighth notes, 1 and 2 and you want to have it consistent, each time where the stick hits the cymbals is going to change that sound. So you want to try to, every time, do the same thing. Right? Not. I'll play a little bit slower. Let's try it like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And a little quicker, 1 and 2. And because of the upstrokes of the stick hits it in a little different position, that's because it's landing where I'm going down and up. Kind of hard to do slow, but. See, on the down it's heavier, and on the up it's lighter. So 1 and 2 and 3. So you just want to do this and try to get this as consistent as you can. All the while holding the hi-hat footboard down on the ball of the foot. Not lifting it up, not yet, we'll do that later, but right now it's just this. And just try to keep that as consistent as you can. Try to keep the time the same, don't try not to speed up or slow down, and just try to get a real consistent sound with your right hand on the hi-hat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we got the bass drum playing on 1, 2, 3, 4. We got your right hand playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now we're going to put them together. We're going to play the kick drum pattern that I was just showing you, and we're going to play the right hand on the hi-hat. And there's lots of songs that just have this, believe it or not. So this is how it sounds. I'm going to do it slow first, and then we'll do it up to speed. So we'll start like this. Actually, I'm just going to start with the hand. I'm just going to start with the right hand and start what we were just playing. So here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2. And here comes the bass drum. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember to line up all these kick drums right with your hand. Hand, kick drum go together with those ones in between. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And just do that. Just try to make that as solid and as consistent as possible. So all those ones line up, and the in-betweens are in their own space as well. Just still doing the same thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. And stop. Okay, so check this out. We're doing a beat, right? Now, that right hand, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and kick drum 1, 2, 3, 4. But notice how my leg is going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and up and down. Not just like that. It's bouncing up and down. So there's a bounce in between, keeping my foot ball up on the footboard, never coming off. But the leg is bouncing. My leg is bouncing like my arm is, like the pattern that I'm playing on my right hand. And it just makes it feel better. If all your limbs are moving together, and this is a really pretty simple rock beat, but if everything needs to be moving. Now, this leg will be doing the same thing. But again, I'm not lifting it up. I'm not doing that. It's staying down, keeping your foot up. But just like anyone would be standing on their toes, and you'd be just kind of bouncing up and down on the balls of your toes like you're trying to look over a crowd or something. Same kind of thing. So again, watch how my leg moves while I still only play the quarter notes, and watch this leg as well, right? But the hi-hats are still staying closed. But look, I'm dancing. Woo! Right? keeping my foot on the footboard, keeping my foot on the footboard, but my heels are bouncing up and down. Because this is the rhythm that I'm playing. Right? It just, to me, it feels odd when all your body is moving, it makes more sense because your whole body keeps time when you're playing. And you have to think of all your limbs are connected. And when you know, if you just try to just concentrate on this and just concentrate on this and this leg's trying to do this, I think at this point in the playing, you want to feel like everything's connected. So again, with the bouncing, I think really helps that. And it just, you know, your body is a vessel to keep rhythm, and if everything's moving, I think it helps you keep in time. You're well on your way to playing about 90% of the songs that you hear on the radio today. Not that they're all good, but anyway, that's your basic rock beat and the basic part of your first part of independence. Practice that as long as you need to. Practice just the hi-hat sound, playing the hi-hat. Practice just having balance on your kit, sitting down and feeling balanced. Practice just the bass drum. Practice just bouncing your leg on the bass drum. If you're playing on the tip, on your ball of your feet, and I think on to the next lesson.